Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Capcut and loading the clip you want to fix. Tap the clip on the timeline so tools appear. Once selected, find Auto, Adjust, or Enhance in the toolbar. You need the clip active because Auto only shows when a layer is selected. Make sure you note current exposure and color shifts so you can compare after changes. Once done, you're ready to disable automatic corrections and switch to manual controls for precise results. You now turn off Auto. Tap the Auto or Enhance toggle so it's no longer applying automatic fixes. Next, open, adjust, and work through exposure, contrast, saturation, and temperature one at a time. Make small moves, then preview. Use the slider values and tap Reset if a change is worse. Once you've set a baseline, refine using highlights and shadows to recover detail. Make sure to scrub the timeline to check changes on motion, not just a still frame. Finish by copying your manual settings across clips or saving them as a preset so adjustments stay consistent. Export a short test file to confirm color and exposure. Translate outside Capcut. If you notice flicker or unexpected readjustment, make sure Auto is off for every clip and clear the app cache. Also lower preview quality while editing to avoid stutter. If problems persist, restart the app and reopen the project to ensure all changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.